What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Stasiaa here. So for today's video, I'm super excited to be reviewing this gorgeous unit for you guys. This hair was actually sent over to me from a company called MarchQueen Hair. So huge thank you to MarchQueen Hair for sending me over this unit. I am in love, okay? Like, I'm in love. I didn't even realize I needed this in my life, okay? I did not realize I needed this hair in my life. So yeah, thank you guys for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing part. Alright, so this was shipped through DHL. As you guys can see, this is their packaging, and I just pull it up. And I love how on the packaging it tells you exactly what you have. So they sent me over the 20-inch 4x4 lace closure wig, and this is water wave textured. Now, they also sent over this little goodie bag right here, which is really dope. I love when companies send me these. So, of course, they sent me a stocking cap, which is black. You know, I really don't use these too much anymore, but that's fine. I know I can use it for something. They also sent me two hair clips, two pink hair clips. These are so cute. And they also sent over this card right here, and it just says their company name again, MarchQueen. And their slogan is choose your love, love your choice. I think that is so cute. And on the back here is all of their different like social media accounts. They have Facebook, YouTube, obviously, Instagram, and Pinterest. And then they also have their contact information down here where you can either call them or email them, and that is their website. So in the inside, it is a little thank you note, and down at the bottom it just gives you different sections like of how to maintain your hair. They just give you a rundown of a lot of things to do down here, which is very informative. So next, moving right along into the main attraction, we have this the wig came in this gorgeous bag, y'all. I love this freaking bag. Now this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. This is really cute, and it's really soft too. I did notice that. Like, it feels really good. It smells good too. Yeah, it smells real good. Of course, I'm still going to wash and everything, so I'm not going to show you guys how it looks on my head right now. This is the natural curl pattern, as you guys can see. It is super gorgeous. I love it. It came in a natural black color, so I'm not going to dye this unit at all. But anyway, yeah. The inside construction, you have your two side combs right here that's close to the your ear tabs. You have one right here in the crown area, as well as one in the nape area. And then you also have your two adjustable straps down here at the bottom. Okay, so first I'm going to be bleaching the knots, obviously. And as you guys can see, I did go ahead and remove that green lace fabric or whatever it was that was underneath the actual lace. Luckily, it was not fully sewn on because I was able to cut around the perimeter of it. So yeah, I'm bleaching the knots using a 40 volume developer along with some violet colored bleach. And might I add, I did leave the bleach on a little bit too long. I got distracted, y'all, by what? I really do not know, but I was a little bit heated about it because now my lace is a little too brassy for me. But that's why I'm going in with some Shimmer and Light shampoo. Well, to be honest, it does not matter whether you over bleach your knots or not. You should always want to go in with some Shimmer and Light shampoo. It just removes any of the brassiness, and it removes the excess product that might have been left behind from the bleach and everything. So yeah, I always go in with one shampoo using the Shimmer and Lights, and then I'll go in with another shampoo using any type of shampoo. So today I chose to use the Tresemme shampoo along with the Tresemme conditioner, and I did add a little clip in here so you guys can see how gorgeous and luscious this hair looks. And it's not even that the hair really needed as much conditioner on it, because y'all, when I say this hair is so freaking soft, I was able to run my fingers all the way through this unit, like while I was shampooing it, while I was conditioning it. It just ran through so easily. I was not getting any tangling, just a slight bit of shedding, and that's probably because the hair is curly, so that to me was definitely expected. But yeah, look how gorgeous this hair looks, you guys. Like, it's just so gorgeous. So now I'm just going to be plucking a hairline just a little bit. I didn't want to pluck too much because, as you guys can see, this unit does not look that full. Now, I was told that this is a 180% density unit, but me just being honest, it does not look or feel like it's 180. So with that being said, I did not want to over pluck at all. So I was only sticking mainly at the hairline area. But yeah, and another thing I want to point out, that the hairline does look a little boxy, so I am going to try to fix that. You guys will be able to see it a little bit more once I start installing the unit. And as far as my install, you guys should already know I always go in with my Got to Be Freeze spray. That's what you're seeing me do right now. So I go in with one layer of Got to Be Freeze spray and just go ahead and yeah, use cool heat to dry that bad boy on down. And y'all, when I say it took me a minute to finesse this lace, like, I don't know if it's because I'm not used to doing closures anymore, or I don't know if it was the boxiness of the closure, like the hairline, like, y'all see what I mean? Like, it's just, and I told y'all I plucked it, but it still just looks so boxy. I don't know, but I had to finesse it just a little bit. I had to finesse it and it came out amazing. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Y'all gonna see me working to get this thing right, okay? Okay, so I just wanted to make y'all aware that this is a 4x4 lace closure. I know that I did say that earlier on in this video, but I wanted to let y'all know that again, because look at this side part. Get into this side part, okay? Now, for those of you who don't know, it's hard sometimes getting side parts when you have small closures like that. And I think that's probably why I struggled so much trying to get the wig to my liking, because I was steady trying to finesse a middle part with it, and I just wasn't feeling it on me. I normally like my middle parts whenever I have straight or wavy hair, like a loose wave, but whenever I'm doing any type of curls, I love a side part. So yeah, I was so happy to find out that this wig is definitely versatile. So I'm able to wear it in the middle or on the side, how I have it here. But yeah, look how gorgeous this hair is, you guys. So now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of serum just before I use my curl diffuser. And for those of you who do not know what a curl diffuser is, it's just a little nozzle that you will attach to your blow dryer, and it helps you to dry your curls without actually pulling them out, making them all puffy. If you do not want that wet look. Like, that wet look is real nice and sexy, but I wasn't in the mood for that today. I just wanted this hair to be dry and popping. So yeah, that wraps up this video, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And do not forget to check out the link down below in the description box, so that way you guys can go ahead and purchase this unit for yourself. Like I said, I highly recommend it. That's one thing I will never do on my channel, is lie to you guys. I'm just not gonna do that, okay? If I'm not feeling something, I will let y'all know firsthand I'm not feeling it. I mean, it is what it is, okay? But yeah, this unit right here, I highly recommend it. I'm already looking into getting me some more. I done already sent my pictures of this unit to my mother and my sister, and they like, oh yeah, we like that. So yeah, I would best believe I would never recommend anything to you guys that I'm not willing to wear myself, or suggest for my mom or my sisters to wear, okay? No, I'm not doing it. But this unit right here, yes, I highly recommend it, okay? Like, yeah, I love this. Like, this unit really exceeded my expectations, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Again, huge thank you to MarchQueen Hair for sending me over this unit. I really love you guys, and I thank you so much. Yeah, this is bomb. I would definitely highly recommend it. So yeah, that's all for this video, you guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Check out that link down below in the description box. It's coupon codes. It's a few things down in the description box that you guys do not want to miss out on. And even if you're not too much of a fan of this unit, they have so many other textures, length. Girl, just go ahead and do some shopping, okay? And yeah, again, I thank you guys so much. I love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.